Product name: car horn wiring adapter. Package content: 2x car horn wiring adapter. Dimension: 32 by 20 by 12 mm, 1. 26 by 0. 79 by 0. 47 lwh. Fit for Toyota. Material: plastic, metal. Cable length: 8 cm, 3. 1. Contains 2 adapters. 3. 1-inch long harness connector to push-on terminal fits most push-on terminals. Can easily be recrimped as needed to other solutions. Heat shrink pre-applied for protection from wear and heat. Connector directly into car's car speaker connector to make installs quick and easy. Safety and stability: insert and play. Great as replacement for your old or broken ones. Fit for Toyota. This is non-OEM product, accessory only. Package content: 2x car horn wiring adapter. Top reviews from the United States. Recommended. This will be needed for Toyotas with a single horn setup to KA dual horn connection. Great price, easy installation.